Welcome to Cambridge English Language Institute. This is Ansar Ahmed. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the word cane. That what does the word cane means, and I will also talk about that different usages of the word cane, and I will also talk about that structure of cane, and as well as that I will talk about that the alternative of cane. Instead of cane, we can use what are the words. So now let's begin the video. So first of all, if you look at the word cane, so as we know that the word cane has many meaning. The word cane has many meaning. The first meaning is called metal container. We call metal container, and as we know that what does metal container mean? Metal container simply we can call it here a container which have what? Which may have juice or which may have oil, etc. We can call that oil container. We can also call juice container, etc. Juice cane we can call it here, but that has own meaning. Today we are going to learn about the grammar function of the word can. So as we know that the word can is actually what? It is called modal verb. It is what kind of it is? It is a modal verb. And what does modal verb mean? So simply we can define that it is a type of helping verb, or we may also call that it is a type of auxiliary verb that is used with a main verb to express many functions. What are the functions? Like for example, ability, possibility, permission, offer, request, etc. Now let's talk about one by one usage. The first usage is called ability. The first usage is called what? We call ability. And what does ability mean? Ability simply we call it here that is called capacity. We call it here capacity. Now, for example, I say that I can play cricket. So this is my ability. For example, I say that I can drive. So this is what? This is my ability. So the first usage that we can use here for what purpose? We can use here for the ability. For example, I say that I can teach bio. So this is what? This is my ability. May you have different ability. May you say that I can run fast. May you say that I can sing, I can dance. So these are called what? These are called what? These are called ability. For example, you can say that we can run fast. We can run fast. So this is what? This is actually called ability. The second usage of can is called what? The second usage is, this is usage number one. Now let's talk about usage number two. We call it possibility. We call it possibility. Possibility. And possibility here mean what? We call chance. We call it here chance. Like for example, I say here, if we talk about here, so I say smoking can cause cancer. Smoking can cause what? I say that smoking can cause cancer. Smoking can cause cancer. Can cause cancer. This is called what? Cancer. So this one is what? Here smoking can cause cancer. So this is what? This is if you smoke cigarettes. So there will be a chance of what? There will be a chance of cancer. So if we talk about that possibility, we need to use which one word? We need to use the word can here. So this is called the second usage. Now let's talk about the third usage. The third usage is called permission. The third one is called what? The third one is called permission. Permission, that is called here permission. And as we know that what does permission here mean? Permission, for example, I say, but as we know that if you use the word can for permission, so it is considered informal. And the best word which is used for permission is may. For example, you can say that may I use your phone. So that is polite. As compared to that, you can say that can I use your phone. So for example, I say here for permission, you can say that can I use your what? Your pencil, you can say that, or many things. Pencil. This one is what? This one is what? This one is called permission. This one is called permission. But as we know that it is not as polite as may. Instead of this, you can say that may I use your phone, may I use your pencil. So it is considered polite. But while if you talk about can, so can is not considered as a polite. It is considered informal. Now let's talk about the usage number 5. The usage number 4 is called here, we call offer. We called offer. And here, for what purpose you can use offer here? For example, I say that can I help you? I can say that can I help you? Can I help you? So it is called here. This one is what? I offer what? I offer help. So this one is called offer. If you talk about offer, so we can also use the word can for offer. Now the next one is we can also use for request. We can also use for request. Let's say request. We can also use for request. And what does here request mean here? You can say here that can you play cricket with me? Can you play cricket with me here? You can say can you play cricket? Play cricket with me. Play cricket with me. That is called here with me. So this one is called what? This one is called request. You request him that can you play cricket with me? So this is called what? Request. Now if you look at the whiteboard here, so the word can has 5 usages. How you will remember? You need to remember this mnemonic like A for ability, P for possibility, and next one is called O for offer, yani P for permission, and O for offer, and R for request. This is called, if you remember this word, so you will definitely know about the usage of can. The first one is called ability, then we have that the possibility, then we have permission, then offer or request. Now here we have another word, that the word can is equal to also called be able to. Be able to. Here this be here mean is MR. For example, I want to give example. If I want to say that I can teach bio, I can teach bio. So I can say that teach biology, or we can say bio. Instead of this, I can say here, what is the alternative of can here? So instead of this, I can say that I am able to teach English, teach, or we can say teach bio. So here same meaning. These two have same meaning. This is called the alternative of can is what? Be able to. Be here mean is MR. Like for example, I say I can teach biology. Instead of this, I say I am able to teach biology. For example, if you talk about he, she, it, so you can say here, like for example, I say he can play cricket. Instead of this, I say he is able to play cricket. Now let's talk about the structure, that what is actually the structure. First of all, what is that formula? Structure, or we can also call formula. Let's say what is the formula or the structure. So first of all, we need subject, then we need what? Can, then we need base form of verb. Base form of verb is also called what? Base form of verb is also called first form of verb. And then complement, we need what? That is called complement here. Now as we know that how many subject pronoun we have? We have 7 subject pronoun. So here we can use 6. Like for example, I say that I, then we can say we. We is also called first person pronoun. The you is called what? Second person pronoun. He, and then you say she, and then also called they. These are called what? Third person pronoun. This is called second person. It is also there, but here we cannot use it. These are also called third person pronoun. As we know that these all are followed by what? Followed by can. For example, you can say I can, you can say we can, you can say you can, you can say he can, you can say she can, you can say they can. And then you need to choose a base form of verb. Base form of verb simply we call first form of verb. We can also call dictionary form of verb. For example, I say that I can dash. I say that I can run fast here. Like for example, I say we can dash. So we can sing songs. So this is called what? Another one. For example, I say you can speak. You can speak what? You can speak English. You can speak English here. Next one, I say he can drive a car. He can drive a car. Instead of this, you can also say that she can cook food. She can cook food. We can call here food. And next one, I say they can what? They can teach what? Biology, or we can say bio here. So now look at the structure. It exactly follows the structure. These are called subject pronoun. These are called subject pronoun. So we represent with help of S. And the next one, this is called what? Helping verb, or we can say modal verb. This is called modal verb. And then what kind of verb is required? We need first form of verb, or we call it base form of verb. This is called verb. And this is called complement. This is called what? Complement. This is called what? We call it here complement. We call it a complement here. This one is called what? Complement here. So we have simple formula. First of all, S, then can, then base form of verb plus complement. As you know that what does complement mean? Simply we can say that the words which complete a sentence. Yes, if you ask me a question that, sir, what is object? So simply we can say that object is a part of complement here. So this is the structure for affirmative sentence. If you are interested to learn English, so we offer you physical as well as that online classes. And physical classes, you can avail the chances for beginner class, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and 10 of advanced 1, advanced 2,